Hey guys, welcome. Today we are with the Porsche Boxster, and this is one of the most important PSA. If you own a Porsche, we got Chitis here. Hi, Chitis. Okay, so a Porsche or any other car will have drain holes, and what they are is they allow water that comes onto the body of the car flow through and come out. So in the back oscillator, it's somewhere around here, and also so there's a drain hole which is right about here. Okay, but in the front, which is very difficult to get to, there's a battery we took out, and behind the battery, just about over there, there is a drain hole. We show later, but right now we're going to vacuum all this out. It's been years someone has got here. We're going to empty out, poke it through, and we show you the process of getting drain hole. But basically, this is the battery tray. Look at the back of the tray on that corner there. As you can see there, and that corner here. On this car, it's completely blocked. You can't get anything through it, which is why we're going to just see here, completely blocked with leaves, because this is Malaysia. So we're going to just clean up the vacuum and then poke out using our tool, which is this. You can get this on Shopee or Lazada. I'll give you a link below. But if you have a car, buy this, keep in your house. Every car has the same issue, to clear your drain holes. If not, your car will get flooded inside. Can you see there? Okay. So this thing, once it goes in there, and basically now we open up the hole, it should go inside, snake inside, and it should come out at the bottom. Uh, Bad news, it got stuck. Slowly, slowly. Hmm. This one will go. Stuck. Stuck. What's up? You got this much and get stuck. You've got a problem. Okay, try compressed air. Okay, I'm not sure if I can show you, but there's one there, which is the back of the battery sits there, one over there, and one just near the strut tower, which is down here. So this is the car. One sits here, one sits there. So there's two here, there's two there, one in the fuel cap, and two in the rear that you will get to shortly. So altogether, two, two, five, six, seven. Yeah.